SafePaks are multi-role cases that function both as internal cabinet replacements and as on-scene portable supply sources. Easy-to-use labels and color coding can help organize and quickly locate equipment in a SafePak. Optional sets of templates for printing custom labels for your pouches are available. Contact Furno for further information. SafePaks are available in 2 sizes and are supplied with a standard pouch setup for each. If the standard SafePak is closed, it must have 4 feet at a minimum in V-slots. A minimum of 2 feet should be in slots that can be locked with the lock bar. When using a standard SafePak, position all 8 SafePak feet in V-slots if possible. A minimum of 4 feet should be in slots that can be locked with lock bars. If the small SafePak is closed, it must have 2 feet in V-slots. The feet must be in V-slots that can be locked with a lock bar. The small SafePak must have 4 feet in V-slots. All 4 must be in V-slots that can be locked with lock bars.